45 days, I had to put everything on hold, di ba? Parang kinailangan namin na to set aside lahat ng plano namin. Kumbaga kung may plano naman kami as a family, before naman mag-start yung trabaho, makapag-spend man ako ng time sa pamilya. I think you have to take into context that hindi lang naman pamilya namin. This is a presidential election. Buhay nating lahat ang nakasalalay dito. Kaya sinasabi ko, change is coming. Whatever change it is, we don't know. But it's something that we have to learn to accept. And kung sino man ang mananalo ng presidente, kailangan ng tandaan na he is inheriting a divided nation. That president needs to unify all the factions. Because let's admit, magiging minority president siya.